This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. Let's take a look here at a stock that was breaking out at some point early on in May 2020. And we can see in an environment where a lot of biotech stocks have been blasting higher, I was actually considering this as a breakout for paid subscribers. Now, it was very tempting at the time. This is from about May, let's call it May 11th is when this chart is showing here, and it looked like it was breaking out. Like I said, it looked very tempting, but there was a problem with this chart which made me avoid even recommending this stock, and I hope you can see it. So the problem with this chart is, yes, the space has been breaking out, lots of amazing winners from this area, the biotech space, and this looked like another candidate primed to move higher, but there was a major red flag. Can you see it? Let me give you a second. There's a major red flag on this chart. Can you see it? All right, let me show it to you. The problem was this: major drop here, loss of gains here, reversal here, loss of gains here, major plunge here, major plunge here. Now remember, these are monthly charts. This is going back to 2015. So a history of major collapses, right? That was a major red flag. And that's why this to me was a no-go. I had to reject that breakout, even as tempting as it looked. And in fact, if you go back and take a look at a longer view, so this is, let's take a look at all data going back to 2000, and you'll notice something. If you're looking for it, it's right there in your face, and it is a history of major drops. In fact, we can see it never holds on to gains. Basically, this has been a destructive. Every time there's any attempt to move higher, it is followed by a massive rejection. Right, and this is the most recent one. In fact, you can take a look now, and you can see as of Friday, there was a major plunge. So be on the lookout for stocks like this. If I take a look at the 3-year monthly right now, the stock for the month is down about 70%. This is one that I am glad I avoided when the breakout looked like it was taking place because of past history of ugliness. This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. EACS. Namaste. And so it is.